BCG empowers people to make meaningful change by fostering curiosity, collaboration, and real-world impact. Hi, I'm Babette, and my parents were teachers. I've always valued my education and been really grateful for the opportunities it brought to me. I lead Business at School, an initiative that has been bringing business and entrepreneurship to over 30,000 high school students. For me, it's BCG's commitment to impact and innovation that drew me here. Over the course of one entire school year, students analyze companies and then develop their own business ideas. It's incredible to see the program's impact on the students, teachers, and schools. For BCGers, it's a meaningful way to make a difference beyond their daily work. They give something back. They offer real-life exposure, which often helps you to clarify what you might be interested in or what you are good at. Collaboration and listening are the most important skills that you can have. My advice to students: explore different fields through internships, networking, and hands-on projects like Business at School. Talk to other students, ask people for help, and use those networks.